I'm Amit Patel. I'm from Speak 4 plant, north side, cell phone division. For 5 years or housekeeping, what I am thinking, it is just for generally what earlier we are doing for audits and to show the customers. Now management is focusing on it should be converted to culture or behavior. So which I feel right now is management is asking or expecting from us is it should be presentable at any moment of time. So it should not be as a for customer. It should be part of our routine activity. So I am happy that management is focusing on that, and we will get the support to execute this 5 years drive, Swayam drive. So I am hopeful that we will succeed in this very good project, and we will focus in ourselves as well to become to remove our thoughts which is not what you can say obstacles, you can say obstacles to drive the force. So thank you so much.